Continuing the news. The communities of Petersfield and Darliston in Westmoreland may soon say goodbye to dark nights as plans are advancing to restore power by January 15. The revelation was made by Energy Minister Darrell Vaz following a tour of the parish on Thursday. Kimberly Petty has the details.
Within another week, both Darliston and other communities will have not only light but water.
That reassurance from Energy Minister Darrell Vaz as he toured sections of Westmoreland Thursday. It's been more than 2 months since residents in communities like Darliston and Petersfield in Westmoreland have been in darkness. And while some can afford to power up via generators, others don't have that luxury. Mr. Vaz said water and electricity go hand in hand.
So in this situation here, in order to get to the Roaring River pump, NWC pump, that covers the majority of Westmoreland with water, they have had to run over 300 poles spanning about 15 kilometers, or 15 miles I should say, in order to get to be able to power Roaring River. What does that mean? When they power Roaring River, it means that the majority of Westmoreland will get back water.
While touring Darliston, a business community, the minister explained that it faces a challenge because of its geographical location, but he stressed that
what JPS has done is to come up with another solution, a hydro solution similar to what they did in Treasure Beach, which they'll be putting here commissioning within the next 2 weeks, which will then power Darliston and the immediate surrounding areas, and then they'll work their way into other communities while working on the major repairs coming up the hill.
He went further.
JPS is using creative methods to power strategic locations, of which Darliston is one, and as I said before, they will have water next week and power the following week, as against having no water and no power probably for the next 6 to 9 months without the interventions of the JPS and the government of Jamaica. So again, it's a big day.
JPS said it is on target with the restoration and also revealed that without the 150 million loan from the government, these communities would have been in darkness until 2027. Hugh Grant, CEO of JPS, was also in the parish.
Our commitment is to have this done by the 15th of January, and we're very much on target to accomplish that, and the resources, the planning, the partnerships are aligned to do that.
Meanwhile, JPS says as at January 7, 2026, only 9% of customers in Western Jamaica remain without power following Hurricane Melissa. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.